Sukhino Bhavantu. Some days feel heavier than others. If today was one of those days, you are in the right place. Let's release that heaviness together. Starting with laughing. Laugh. For any reason, if you cannot laugh loud, you can laugh without sound like. Take a sip of water. Let's do 3 random gratitude for. Thank you, universe, for giving me Thank you, universe, for giving me Thank you, universe, for giving me Now, take a deep breath. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale through your mouth for 4 seconds. Inhale for 4. Hold for 4 seconds. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Relax. Take a left hand with right hand, gently tap on one of the meridian points to release blocks from body, mind and soul. Repeat after me. I take 100% responsibility for whatever the heavier emotion I'm feeling inside my body, mind, and soul. I still love myself exactly the way I am right now. I take 100% responsibility for all the emotions inside me. I still love myself exactly the way I am right now. I take 100% responsibility for all the unknown things inside me. I still love myself exactly the way I am right now. Even though knowingly, unknowingly, consciously or subconsciously, positive or negative, good or bad, emotionally or physically, whatever the emotion I'm feeling inside, sometimes I'm not sure why I feel heavier emotionally inside my mind, body. I still love myself exactly the way I am right now. I may not see or I'm not aware of things right now, but everything happens subconsciously. These imprints, which are from past lives till now, all those imprints are there in this body, mind, and soul. So when I release those emotional burden from my body, mind, and soul, there is amazing energy shift happens inside me, which helps me to see things differently. Every day, the time I get up to the time I sleep, imprints keep on adding inside my body, mind, and soul. The release has to happen every single day. Like when I'm hungry, I eat. Again, when I get hungry, I eat. Same thing. I have to be aware of my emotions, how I am feeling emotionally. The more I release those emotions from body, mind, and soul, the lesser and lesser the blocks gets from body, mind, and soul, which I see in health, relationships, career, and financially. Whatever situations happening outside is the creation and manifestation of my thoughts. So releasing all those blocks unknowingly created in my subconscious mind right now from body, mind, and soul. The more I release the blocks which I'm not even aware of, the more energies shifts inside me, and I see my health in a different perspective. I see relations in a different perspective. I see my career in a different perspective, and the money is an energy too. I see finances and money in different perspective. What all I need to do is aware of my emotional feeling, Am I feeling sad? Am I feeling bad? Am I feeling guilty? Am I feeling stuck? What are the emotions I'm feeling? There is no good or bad emotions, only lower energy and higher energy. How I'm feeling about it. The situations keep on changing, the emotions will be the same until I learn lesson from those emotions and letting go those emotions from body, mind and soul, which are no longer makes any difference in my life, and releasing all those blocks subconsciously formed inside body, mind and soul. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Relax. Let's sit in a comfortable position. Either on the chair, on the floor, you can take support, but make sure your back is straight. Close your eyes. Relax your face. Relax your head. Relax your neck. Relax your shoulders and hands. Relax your chest. Relax your waist. Relax your thighs. Relax your knees. Relax your calves. Relax your feet. Relax each and every cell in this body. Observe your natural breath. The more you are aware of your natural breath, the lesser and the lesser the thoughts becomes. Those who want to continue in this state, you can be as long as you want. Those who want to come out of this state, be aware of your surroundings. Be aware of yourself. Rub your palms together. Place it on your eyes, on your face, all over your body. Open your eyes. In one word, how you felt. Write it in the chat box or take a notebook, write how you felt. Are you feeling like this each and every moment in your life? From the time you get up till the time you sleep. What emotions bothering you? What emotions making you happy? The more you are aware, the more you attract those emotions. Sukhino Bhavantu.